buckle your belts and check yourselves, soldiers. We're going in.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over.